Welcome guys to our YouTube channel Furious Dark Knight. I'm Night Fury and I welcome you to our latest video. And inside today's video, we are gonna play as specific brawlers, which are fighters, sharpshooters, heavyweights, throwers, and last but not least, supports. So, for the first match, we have selected the type of brawlers of supports and the game mode of gem grab in the map of Hard Rock Mine. I'm showing you the map, you see, and you expect can we win or can we not, cause I don't believe those bots that bot 1 2 3 every time. So let's choose our brawlers and get into the battle. Bam! If you don't make me win, you are gonna die. So here we are. The other two are choosing their brawlers. Let's see. I suppose that Fundum's gonna take Poker and the other guy is taking Sprout. He's called Enchanted King. No, he's choosing something else. I think he's also taking Poco. Then what should Fundum take? Let's see. Let me suggest him. I guess Jean's a support. Nah, yeah. I think Jean's a support. Let me still check. Yeah. Let me check. Jean support. Okay, so let's get into the battle. Everyone will heal and another two sharpshooter and that fighter. I hate gem grab. I hate bots. I hate everything. But I don't hate this game. What the heck? That Nita doing stuff. Nonsense. Hey you colt, I am your double size, double damage and you are trying to kill me. Go die. This is the most annoying thing in the whole game. That Nita is doing what? I don't know. I don't know what is happening in here. That nonsense cannon and that nonsense Penny from the starting of the match. Let Penny not die. Hey Penny die. Die. Penny die. What the heck problem is with this turret? I don't know, by the way. Let's see. Yeah. I don't know. Yes, heal, double heal. And this time that Nita missed her beer. I don't know that's a hyper beer or not. I don't think so because I did not deal with it. Again that beer has came on the map and we won. By the way, we won. I did not knew that we won. We won. Oh my god, we won. Well played guys, well played. So moving on to next, we are taking the category heavyweights in the game mode of Brawl Ball and the map. I forgot. Let me check. Sorry. I forgot the map. Let me check. Yeah, Sandy Gems. No, not sorry. Shoulder back. Sorry. We are humans. Humans can make mistakes. Don't forget that. Heavyweight. I'm gonna take Driller guy. Driller. Jackie Driller. So without any delay, I think we should start the match. Let's wait for Enchanted King. I think he is having some connectivity issues. Let's wait for him. So he is back. So he's ready. I'm also ready. Let's get into the battle. And I don't know what that bot 1 2 3 is up in here. Again Ames. I hate. I died. Yay, I died. What the heck is that Ames doing? Is that Ames scared from the El Primo? What the heck? Hey Frank, don't hit me, Frank. Oh my god. What happened? EK scored. Hey EK. Why are they everyone attacking me only? Enchanted King is doing cheating, I think. He has bought some bot that will only attack me and Fandu, but he will survive every time. How did Fandu become the star player? I don't know from where. The one with the lowest trophy becomes a star player in the rank among these three. So moving on, next we are going to take my favorite type of brawlers, fighters, in my favorite game mode that is known as heist. I'm going to take Nani, and I think he's gonna take Bo, I suppose. So let's get into the battle. I'm just going to transport. Huh? What the heck? What the heck? This is a bonus clip, you see. I just forgot to change the map. Just enjoy this video. This is a practice for these fighter stuffs. Okay, it's real practice for it. Happens. Human beings, we are human beings, not aliens. Yay! Woohoo! Pass it to me. What the heck? I died. There's again a Nita. Primo punch. El Primo and that bot one scored. Nonsense. This is nonsense. El Fuego is nonsense. Everything is nonsense. I don't know. I don't know what is happening in here. Yeah, hoo. So we won. After a bit of El Primo stuff, we won. So sorry guys for this. This was a bonus one. So we are going to play heist with Sandy James, and the map is in front of you. I don't know. We are gonna win, and I know it. We have to win. I don't know anything. So let's get in the battle. Oh yeah, we are gonna take same roles. Yeah, I forgot. Fighters versus hard counter team. Yeah, it's some sort of betting fighters. That Bo is trouble. Die Bo. And just BB. Let me get a bit of HP and I'm gonna do some nonsense stuff. Yay! Hoo. Oh my god, yes. This is called damage. You see, per second 3000 damage from me. I think this time I will be the star player. I'm not. I died. What the heck? This is cheating. That BB was a pro. What the heck? How did that BB did some proness? Connection lost. What the heck? Connection lost. I have to reload. What the heck, man? Connection lost. Freaking connection. So no, not dead. Very well played bot, for not making us die. Oh my god, die. I don't know how. Freaking bots. I am coming. Now let's do some teleportation. Teleport into this. I died. Match over. We won. This was a close match, but my freaking connection did not let me win it properly, or else I would have become the star player this time. I say you. But well played, Enchanted King and Fandu. Well played. Good. Good defense by Fundum and good attack by Enchanted King. So moving on to next, we are gonna play Siege with the class known as Sharpshooters. I think I'm gonna take Core or let me take Penny. I'm gonna take Penny. Very good Penny. And we have got a Penny in here, a Barack Obama, and a Ricochet Rico. Not Ricochet Rico, he's a normal Rico. So let me take Captain's Compass with Balls of Fire. Very good. Very good. So let's get into the battle, and I hope that the good spirits stay with us. But this is something else. Another bonus for you guys. Please enjoy. Another bonus for you. We are just doing bonuses. You should subscribe our channel as we are giving you bonuses. Guys, subscribe our channel. I am not joking. We are giving you a bonus and you are not subscribed. You also give us some bonus by subscribing our channel. We are having bonus clips. We are having bonus clips. We are having bonus clips. What the heck? Pew 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 pew. That's so much damage, and I don't know. Hey, Unita, and this beer. I think I'm gonna die. There's a Mortis in front of me, a beer in front of me. This is cheating. Beer coming to attack. Beer died. Nonsense, beer. Nonsense, everyone. I don't care. But I don't care. Everybody's nonsense, but I don't care actually. Such a good defense we are all doing. And in the bonus clips. Yeah. And views. Yay! Completed! Yes. That Mortis was trying to dance, but don't worry. We are giving you bonus clips. I don't care you watch the video or not. I only care you should subscribe and like our video. And we also need views. I was just joking. So another mistake by me. So moving on to next, we are gonna play Siege. And the map is, I forgot. Nuts and bolts. Yeah, nuts and bolts. Same flawless selection. Guys, but don't worry. In this video, we will only give you 2 bonus clips. Nothing more than that. Only 2. Because 3 is an unlucky number for everyone. So let's get into the battle. Let's get into the battle. Let's so I think we another penny in that team. I think we are gonna lose it until Supercell becomes happy on us because we are making videos on them. What the heck is happening in here? I hate Siege, I hate everything, but I don't hate Brawl All Stars. The bots are playing better than us this time, it seems. And that savage, what is that savage Frank emoting on us? What the heck, dude? Have some manners. And have some manners. We are recording a video and you're killing us. What the heck, bots? I don't like you. I will give you a big dislike. And that thick Pam coming. Oh my god. Oh my god. I think that Penny has also. I think that Penny is having connection issues. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I survived. Oh, I survived. Mama's got a rest. Mama's got a rest. Ah, ah, ha, 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 ha. Frank is doing like this. Ah, ha, 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 ha. Stupid. I think you're gonna write stupid in the comments for doing these voice lines. Well played, guys. I'm gonna stand in here and spin. Spin to win. Oh no. No, no, no more spin to win. No, I hate spin to win. I hate spin to win. I died. Well played. Well played, Fundu. Well played. Sorry, not Fundu, sorry. Night Fury. Well played, Night Fury. I'm just joking with you guys. I think we are gonna lose this one. Yeah, sure. We knew that we were gonna lose. That Penny in the opponent is the most annoying stuff. I think I can, if they defend, I can attack that stuff. Please God, defend, defend, defend. Yeah, we won. I did not notice that the bot died. What the heck, we won. Again, that he is a star player. Moving on to the last but not the least match of this video, we are gonna play Bounty. Bounty in the map of Layer Cake and choosing only the worst class. Throwers. I'm gonna take Tick. So let's see what can we do. Let's get. Oh, I don't know his star power or anything. Yeah, let's choose better. No, I think we should change the map. Cause let's take Canal Grande. No, it's not a. It wouldn't be fun. Let's take Deep Danger. Yeah. Guys, if you are watching this video till now, please like and spam. Guys, please subscribe our channel and spam the like button and hit the bell icon, or else the creature of the night is coming for you in your house today to kill you. I'm telling you, I'm not joking. I will assign Mortis to kill you. I'm not joking actually. Go, 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 go. Go by head and kills everyone. What the heck, my head died before it reached. Throwers are not dominated. Throwers are not. I think they have got a Sandy and we have got a Dynamite. Nothing's a difference. If I or Ferdum die, they are gonna get a lot of boost up. Let's see. That nonsense Baldi again doing nonsense stuff, killing my head so that I can't see anything, and there's another head coming for intended kick and he died. Blah blah blah. I don't know. That Sandy in the sandstone doing nonsense sandy works. I don't know. What does he do when he gets invisible? I don't actually know. Yeah, well played. I died. Well played. Sorry guys for dying. Sandy. What the heck? My charge is at 15%. What the heck, dude? This is cheating. Samsung, if you are seeing this video, please increase the charge. Supercell, and if you don't give me a legendary, that is not going to be a lot of fun. This is a high scoring match, means it's a total of 82. Yay! Gadget, and they still died. Well played, Fundu. Not such Fundu, Night Fury. By the way, Fundu and Yeah, at last, I became the star player. And at the final match with 2 bonus clips, I don't know, my Wi-Fi went and everything. Guys, if you are watching till now, please subscribe to our channel, spam the like button, hit the bell icon, and you can join our club. I'm showing you. I'm just showing the settings and all. You can see. If you need anything more, check. I'm showing you the members, but they are 99, and I'm telling that means we are trying to leave this club and make a new club. For now, you see this. If you want to add friend, you can check my profile. Again, these ads, I don't know why they come. I'm showing my profile, my player code. I'm showing Fundooms. Here it is. And last but not least, Enchanted King's profile. By the way, he's having the most brawlers, 26. He's having one epic. Yeah, he's the most trophy guy. 11,000, 10,000, 9,000. Means I am at the lowest. Fundoom at between and Enchanted at top. So, guys, if we hit 100 subscribers, we are gonna start giving videos of COC. At 500, you're gonna see Clash Royale, and at 1000, I've got a surprise for you. I will show you how to hack Brawl Stars. So if you want to know how to know it, please subscribe. Bye guys, see you again in the next video.